Hola gente, bienvenidos a mi canal. Si es la primera que ves que mi cara bonita, bienvenidos. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome. And if it's your first time, bienvenidos. In today's video, I'll be creating this half up, half down hairstyle that I saw from Instagram as usual. So first thing I did is to cut my hair in half, and then I made another quarter section at the front parts of my head, because this middle section here will be our updo. Yes, that is what we'll be using to make our updo. So secure that in and leave it in place while you do your cornrows or your flat twists behind, whichever one you prefer. And don't forget to use your bobby pins to hold it all in place. I was so tired, and everyone knows that making your hair yourself is stressful, so I needed a little energy boost, of course. Yeah. Secure those cornrows or flat twist, whichever one that you prefer. Secure them with your little bobby pins, not the big one, please. I mean, you don't want headache. I definitely do not want headache, so I advise you use the little bobby pins. And after that, we're going to be working on the front section. Yes. Front part will be doing a little slickety slick. Am I the only one that gets scared when it comes to slicking their hair? I get traumatized when it comes to slicking their hair. As you can see, I'm using the Eco Styling Gel, and I didn't use much because I am a mess when it comes to slicking hair, and it is one of my least favorite hairstyles to do. It is pretty, it is cute, but it is my least favorite style for me to do on myself. So don't forget to detangle all the way. Make sure you detangle your hair, put in that leave-in conditioner, put in that oil, put in all the juice. I mean, we don't want to be working on hard, crusty, dry hair. So I'll be securing these two in place and twisting it all up. And of course, I'll also be using my bobby pin to secure this at the back. Yes, attach this to the cornrows that you made at the back. I'll be doing this to both sides of my head. Now it's time for us to finish this beautiful hairstyle. We'll be working on the middle section, twisting it all up, of course, and I'll be attaching my natural Girls Wig clippings. Yes, we achieved all this hair with clippings from Natural Girls Wig. You can go check them out, you would love it. So for this twist in the middle, I'll be attaching my clippings from bottom to top till I get the amount of volume that I'm comfortable or that I love. Then I would stop attaching clippings. Continue moving the tracks of the clippings in a spiral form till you get your desired amount of volume. Just do you. Don't forget, the fuller the better. If you've seen this video up till this point, what are you waiting for? Give this video a huge thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to drop a comment in the section below. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? ¿Qué pasa? Huh? ¿Tengo hambre? Of course not. Hit the subscribe button. And we are done. A girl is looking like a fresh cooked jollof rice. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Drop a comment below, rate this hairstyle, and be nice. Be nice, okay? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video to your loved ones. And don't forget, you obviously don't have to get it at the beginning. You can always undo it and try it again. See you in my next video. Ciao. Te quero.